This Lebanese Fattoush salad serves 4 and takes 20 minutes. A fresh and affordable raw salad for the holiday table. 6 cups of mixed romaine and butter lettuce, torn into bite-sized pieces. 2 medium tomatoes, washed and diced into medium cubes. 1 large cucumber, peeled halfway and diced into medium pieces. 1 red bell pepper, seeded and diced into medium cubes. 4 green onions, trimmed and thinly sliced on the bias. 1 cup of fresh parsley, washed and chopped coarsely. 1/2 cup of fresh mint leaves, washed and chopped. 2 pieces of stale pita bread, toasted until golden and broken into bite-sized pieces. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, about 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon of ground sumac for that authentic lemony tang. 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place 6 cups of torn mixed romaine and butter lettuce into a large mixing bowl. Add 2 medium diced tomatoes and 1 large diced cucumber to the bowl. Toss gently to combine. Add 1 diced red bell pepper and 4 thinly sliced green onions. Fold them into the salad. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Mix in 1 cup of chopped parsley and 1/2 cup of chopped mint to brighten the flavors. In a small bowl whisk 3 tablespoons of olive oil with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of ground sumac, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper until emulsified. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss well so all vegetables are evenly coated. Add the toasted pita pieces and fold them in gently just before serving to keep them crisp. Taste and adjust seasoning. Add up to 1 additional 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt or 1/4 teaspoon more black pepper if needed. Toss once more to evenly distribute any adjusted seasoning and get the salad ready to plate. Serve the fattoush immediately so the pita stays crunchy and enjoy. This is the final step. Thank you and happy holidays. If you liked this Lebanese Fattoush salad, like the video, subscribe, and click the bell for more budget holiday recipes. Enjoy and happy holidays.